Hi and welcome to this amazing section that we are going to use material design for sliders and dialects. Sliders allow us to make selection from a range of values. Dialects inform users about some preferred information. In this section, we will find out about all these amazing features. In this video, we are going to implement sliders. I have started a new project and implemented the design library. Okay, let's start the implementing of a stick ball. I want the width to be something customized, and the height, I want it to wrap the content. Then, like always, we need IDs, which I'm going to use main range bar. Alright, then I need to declare a theme, which I'm going to use this slider theme. You can see I have defined a simple style for the stick bar that will change the pointer and the active part of the stick bar. Okay, then I'll add a max value. It can be anything you prefer. And then I want the progress value to be, alright. The progress value changes where the pointer shows and the max value is the max value. Okay, now let's see how it looks on the emulator. Okay, now you can see that the color we defined is activated here. Now let's move on for more customization. What I want to add is the thumb. Okay, this is the pointer and I changed it to an icon, and then I want to make the stick bar vertical. So what I'm going to do is to specify this rotation and change it to, you see, this has changed to vertical. This icon can be anything that you want. Okay, after this, I want to give my stick bar a customized background. It can happen with progress drawable. Then I want to specify a drawable custom slider, and you can see it has changed here. Let's see what I define inside the custom slider. This custom view is a gradient view that starts from blue to purple. Let's go back to the activity main, and you can see this has been changed and implemented. Now let's go for some code for this progress bar. We have to implement them in the relevant activity Kotlin 5. Okay, first I'll call the main range bar and set stick bar change listener. I'll define an object and the stick bar dot on stick bar change listener, and I'll define a value to see the changed value, and it's going to be initially 0. Then I have to override the stick bar functions. The first one is on progress changed. The second one is on stop tracking touch. And the third one is on a stop tracking touch. Okay? And let's do some cleanups. Just right after the on progress changed, I want to change this value. Oh, it has to be variable. My mistake. Okay. Then, after it has been stopped, I want to show the value that has been changed. So what I want to do is to define a toast dot make text, and let's call this, okay, and some message that I want to give that the progress value is, and the value of changed value. Then we have to pass the duration and show the toast. Okay, it's emulator time. Okay, now let's see what happens when I change it. I just drag it, then when I drop it, we can see the value. Just easy as this. Great, we got this. Now that we learned all about the slider,